nasty boy.
Alright, come in.
Think.
Then think with music. Talk to the ALKALINE.
Favorite dog poo. Go home. Hey.
Shooty, shooty.
Toes who gyal a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Not even one. Them no have no name and them no sing no song. There's no superstar, you some fucking anti-man. Watch. Never go low and we a fuck a back a gal. Who no bad for your badness a panigram. You can't go link no man up a come man and some a can and Jara. You know what you see you them no like no batty man. You look nasty out. Yes.
Go back. Go back. We are starting off from front. No. But like when we are clash, we use facts. ALKALINE is not an internet man, so you can't say money bad on the ground. We need to hit the nail on the head when we are the clash. Alright, we have to talk truth. Can't make up things and talk. You see me? We need to talk the truth. Yeah. So come in though. Song bad same way still.
Yo, ugly man. Yo, ugly man. Yo, ugly man.
Hey, nasty boy. Think. Could be it. Bumbo, favorite dog poo. Go home. Hey. Toes who gyal a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Not even one. Them no have no name and them no sing no song. There's no superstar, you some fucking anti-man. Watch. Never go low and we a fuck a back a gal. Who no bad for your badness a panigram. You can't go link no man up a come man and some a can and Jara. You know what you see you them no like no batty man. You look nasty out. Yes. All of my dog, them a shorty, paper sweet with like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic, get she bad and bougie. Ride the sweet, the place broming. All of my dog, them a shorty, people sweet with like tutti fruity.
Let's get to work. Then boy.
Hey boy, when you try this cartel man still in a school. 10 years later you still is a fool. You see the Dan touch your road then he fuck up your fuse. Make me kill him sweet like rhythm and blue. Hear them a talk about key but I mostly auto-tune lyrics a split boy head like half a moon. Put a link wa hope your man fuck one babu. Call me Earl and a pongy. You don't see that? Not nice.
And that me like in a war. Call a man name. Call a man name in a war, man. I'm sick and tired of throw word, man. Now, girl, man. Then tick. Big up yourself.
Man, me na idiot. From 16 I still a look a rematch. Your places like a figure as a god that could win. Some love through a shade. Use the 16. Give man low fade. Then no bad at all. Make a juvie circle.
Since him love through a shade. Use the Uzi. Give man low fade. Youth. Like it.
Claim with a homemade one in your head, you feel no pain. Who a gas him up, propane, this a more flame. Nasty out, yes. We koalas, we a shorty, paper sweet with like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic, get she bad and bougie. Drive a sweep, the place broming. All of my dog, them a shorty, people sweet with like tutti fruity.
Let's get to work. Then boy.
Toes who gyal a rotate, never yet see one. Not even one. Them no have no name and them no sing no song. There's no superstar, you some fucking anti-man. Watch. Never.
Then tip me now that still ALKALINE is a superstar still, you know that. ALKALINE, superstar. Me nah go hide that part there still.
Low and we a fuck a back a gal. Who no bad for your badness a panigram. You can't go link no man up a come man and some a can and Jara. You know what you see you them no like no batty man. You look nasty out. Yes. All of my dog, them a shorty, paper sweet with like tutti fruity. Bad bitch with the matic, get she bad and bougie. Drive a sweep, the place broming. All of my dog, them a shorty, people sweet with like tutti fruity.
Let's get to work. Then boy. No pussy test me DJ, I swear to God. Boss me head man. Don't get the koalas them dark. Remember when I do this cloud to them go put my rifle binds in a boy all bad. Fully fucking four corner.
Hold on. I commuted. It done still. However, my take on the song is I give it a 7.5. And the reason is I like when people clash and the information is correct. Because when the information is correct and it hit, it's received better by the audience. You see me? And we are the audience. You see me? So when you have the ALKALINE superstar and him not have no girl, them something there, we know say that not true. You see me? I mean, no say just music, but like me say, we like to talk facts when we are clash, because that is what sells. Facts. You see me? Now I guess my batty man and him a the batty wash thing and thing. You see me? I never seen Panama net. Nobody never catch him Panama net, but the whole batty man business, batty brata thing. You see me? Jamaica can make you know, so you're a batty man. But personally, that's just the only thing, but the song tough. You see me? Forgive me. Song tough and I begin now war, we can't expect. You see me? Nothing tough yet. You see me? Would be nice if you start off the war strong. But for right now, we just are satisfied what we get. But so far, so good. So big up to 10 tick. Song tough. Like me say, me just never like the fact say you're throwing some non-factual stuff. You understand? We want facts when we are rap. When we are rap, we want facts when we are DJ, when we are clash. But anyway, like, comment, share, subscribe. Soon the next one. You see me? Let me know in the comment section what you think.